And this has been going on for a month.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna get a shot of the mouth again.
Yeah.
If you can open that up for me.
Yeah.
So we've been doing this for a month, and we're a 9-month-old puppy, so we got some
Teeth.
some loose teeth, and the adult teeth are coming in, and I don't know if it's from the continued chomping motion, but the teeth are kind of splayed out to the sides. Nothing appears fractured, no discharge anywhere. Has no trouble eating, drinking. Normal in every other way except this motion.
And if I shut it,
You can hold it shut.
you just let it. And
Yeah,
if
he's still.
yeah, if there's a twitch,
wanting-
but he can breathe.
Right. So it's a muscular and or nervous issue, it looks like to me.
Okay.
And
And he's gained December 23 pounds.
Yep.
So.
Oh, really?
Yep.
6 pounds in 3 months. So he's still growing.
Yep.